Hello students, today we are going to learn about chapter 12, the virus. So now let's see about what is computer virus. A computer virus is a program or a set of programs that disturbs the normal operation of a computer. Virus infects or destroy data. It enters in the computer without the permission or knowledge of the user. The full form of virus is Vital Information Resources Enterprise. So what is the full form of virus? Vital Information Resources Enterprise. Here the essential resources of the computer like memory, processing speed, data and programs etc. cannot have normal operations and cannot be harmed. When virus is spread, virus programs are self-replicating and are continuously expanding their reach by infecting more and more computer files, resulting in loss of speed and destruction of data. To avoid detection, they are secretly hidden. So virus programs can remain undetected and quickly inactive for a long time, waiting for a particular signal or an event to trigger them. Example: some virus programs monitor the clock in the host computer and trigger on a certain day, like Friday the 13th. Some viruses are harmless, they display some messages. But most of the viruses are harmful. Viruses are written by destructive sources who just want to amuse themselves or want to access anyone's private data. Their authors give them fancy name like AIDS, Saturday 14, Dark Avenger and Friday. And Friday the 13th. A computer virus is a program. It should not be confused with the medical term virus, which is an organism. However, both of them have the same features as far as their destructive activities are concerned. Major difference between the two is that a biological virus caused physical harm to our body and attacks certain cells, whereas computer virus causes harm to the data and programs stored in a computer by overwriting them with garbage or erasing them. Trojan horse, worms and spyware or some other terms which are associated with virus programs but are actually different from virus programs. Trojan horse is a simple program that pretends to be a useful application, whereas it always do something destructive. Mostly it damages a computer like erasing a disk. It is not self-replicating. A Trojan can spread only when it is copied to another system. The name Trojan horse is derived from the wooden horse used by the Greek army to conquer the city of Troy. Boom. Is a special type of virus program that copies and multiple itself by using computer networks and security flaws. They can overload network resources very quickly, which in turn slow down the spread and data transmission due to heavy consumption of system memory or network bandwidth. Worm also one kind of virus. So next one, malware is made up of two words, molecules and software. It is a software that enters into a computer and damages it without the knowledge of the user. Malware is a trouble-causing program. It may be a virus, worm, Trojan horse, or spyware. Malwares not only interrupt the normal working of a computer but also steal important information. Is a type of malware, spyware. Next one, malware that is installed is a type of a malware that is installed on computers and collect information about users without their knowledge. Spyware programs secretly monitor the user's computing. They can collect various types of personal information such as internet surfing habits, visited web pages, and transmits that information in the background to someone else. Sometimes they also change computer settings that result in slow connection speed and wrong functionality of other program. Spyware can also collect information about email addresses, password, and even credit card numbers. So next one, types of virus. Viruses can be classified by their infection targets into the following types. Boot viruses. These viruses infect the boot record or master boot records. They replace the boot record that is responsible for loading the operating system in the computer memory by copying it elsewhere. Boot virus becomes active at the time of booting the machine. Disk killer, stone virus, etc. Program file virus. These viruses infect executable files, programs such as those with the extension like .com, .exe, .ovl, .drv, .sys, that is sys, etc. These programs get loaded in the computer memory during execution. The virus becomes active in the computer memory by replacing itself and reflecting files on the disk. The examples of program file viruses are Sunday, Cascade, etc. Microviruses use another application's microprogramming language to distribute themselves. They infect documents such as Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel and cause a sequence of actions to be performed automatically when the application is started. This is microviruses. They can be spread through email attachments, disk, networks, modems, and the internet. Example are DMV, Melissa, word concept. A virus can cause problems in a computer in many ways, such as reduce the speed of a computer by decreasing the memory, causing strange movements or patterns on the screen, displaying unusual messages like your PC is stone, etc. Increasing the use of disk space and growth in file size as the virus gets attached itself to many files. Frequent hanging of the system, showing abnormal write product error, displaying a change in data against the file name in the directory when a virus modify the file, reformatting the hard disk, deleting or damaging files. So next one, preventing a virus infection. Generally, computer virus infections and spread from one computer to another through transferring infected data using email, flash drives or other sources. To prevent viruses attack, follow the given tips. Every PC should be equipped with some antivirus program. Always scan the pen drive before copying files. Do not install pirate softwares. Scan the hard disk properly. Check the backup of important files every time or every day. Use internet and email attachments very carefully. So next one, antivirus software. Antivirus software are computer programs which are designed to identify, prevent and remove viruses from a computer. They perform the following task in a computer: scan the computer files to look for known viruses matching definitions from virus dictionary, identify suspicious behavior from any computer program which might indicate infection. Simply installing an antivirus software in our computer does not guarantee 100% protection, as the installed antivirus program would not be able to detect new virus programs. We should keep on updating our computer with the latest version of antivirus programs. Most of the antivirus software companies provide the facility to download the latest updates from their websites. Some of the popular antivirus programs are Norton by Symantec, MyAfree, AVG, Avira Antivirus, PC Cleaning. Using an antivirus software. The steps to use an antivirus software are as follows. To open AVG antivirus software, click on Start All Programs and AVG 2012, AVG User Interface. The AVG Internet Security window appears. Click on the Scan option. 3 options are displayed under Scan for Threat section. One is to scan the whole computer. Select whole computer scan option. Second one To scan any particular file or folder, select the Scan Specific File or Folder option. Third one, select Anti-Rootkit Scan option. Click on the Scan Now option. The scanning process starts. If viruses are found, the antivirus will inform the same to the user and will either delete the virus or will quarantine it, isolate it, so that it cannot be affect the computer. When the scan process gets over, the message "scan finished" is displayed.